Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm out here in the testing studio with one of the coolest, new, most advanced mini drones out there. It is a 1080p first-party view. Okay, I'm gonna stop the talk. I'm gonna tell you what's in this video real quick. I'm first gonna take you outside, fly it, because I know that's what you wanna see, all the cool flying and stunts. Then I'm gonna come back, give you a review of it, let you know how it was. And then finally, if you stick around, I will share with you the unboxing, the features and attributes of it, so you have a little more understanding of the product. In the meantime, let's go fly it. Okay, wow, it is a little hot out here today, but I have to say this little drone is easily my favorite little mini drone that I've flown so far. It does flips, it does spins, it crashes and comes back just fine, has the little guards, so if you want to fly it in the house and not get in trouble with the lady of the house, that's a good thing. Actually, this has done everything pretty perfectly, so I have to give this a full 6 rotors out of 5 on the Doug score for exceeding every expectation. Let's go do that unboxing. Welcome to the past. You just finished watching me flying this, but I am opening it for the first time right here with you, and let's see what comes with it. I know the basics of it. Obviously, as I told you already, it is an FPV drone. It is a mini drone, and it is 1080p with lots and lots of nice technology updates to incorporate in it. Oh, this is so cool. Wait till you see this thing. I guess you already saw it. I'm only seeing it for the first time. Holy cow, I cannot believe that this little drone, look at that. That is ridiculous if it can do all the things that I just said that it can do. This has all of the cool features it can do flips, it can do fast 360s. It actually comes with 3 batteries. The batteries are nice composite units. They look like that, nice small size, very light, nice and light. 3 of them, they do average about 13 minutes flight time each. So you're talking about 39 minutes of flying. This is the remote. Okay, very simple remote, basic controls on it. And it also has a mount for your FPV view while you're flying around. Comes with a package which includes, I'm going to say it's going to be the charger, some extra blades. Let's see. If you watched this channel before, you know already. I am going to complain about this charger. I could tell you already. Okay, I'm going to double, triple complain. Number one, they've given us 3 batteries, 1 wire, and no plugs for the wall. I think, Holy Stone, I'm talking to you, give us 3 chargers so I could charge all 3 at the same time, maybe even one thing where it plugs into the wall and all 3 get connected. Not asking a lot. I think that would only cost you like $1 maybe, all of that put together, but please do it. In this bag here, there is your normal collection of basic little tools, extra blades. Oh, this is another thing. So these fans are not ducted, but if you want to fly it inside or you want to fly it safely, it has these guards for the blades that you can put on there. Yeah, you can see it better there. I think it's a really good idea. I would highly recommend it. It has an owner's manual, which I always recommend. Read the owner's manual. It separates those crappy times struggling with the drone to understanding how it works and flying it easily and having a real good time first shot out. So definitely read this. A couple of the other, gadgety features that it has, just so you know, it has the circle round, it has the flips, it has the high-speed turns. Honestly, this little thing seems to do everything in the world. All right, I hope that was helpful. We will see you next time.